We started our journey tracing the canals of Baja's coastal wetlands, an unexpected getaway into the land shaped by fire and time. Just ahead, Putumayo rises, ancient, weathered, and watching over the forgotten Valley of Volcanoes. The trail quickly narrows. Soft sand pulls at our tires. Desert brush whips against our trucks. Baja's version of signing your name into the land. We push on to the end of the peninsula, where the land thins and the world opens up onto turquoise waters on all sides. Our rigs rest here, surrounded by the silence and salt air. This is a kind of spot that you only hear rumors about until you're standing in it. This isn't just a trip, it's an expedition. Expedition is a journey undertaken by a group with a clear purpose into the unknown, the remote, or the wild. That's exactly what this is, a mission to explore what few ever do, to reach the far edge of Baja and see what's out there. And now, we're here. At the tip of it all is a small island, barely noticeable on the map, but unforgettable once you climb it. From the top, I see it all. Camp friends, the sea in every direction. I heard the stories of the Valley of the Volcanoes, but now I'm living it. After dinner, I lay back in my camper, doors wide open, watching the rolling waves as I take a beachside nap. Buddy Bob suits up, grabs his board and paddles out. The water's cold, but it never stops the soul in Baja. He misses the first one, but it doesn't matter. Out here, it's not about the wave you catch. It's about the moment that you're in. I catch him walking back from the surf, board under his arm, soaked, smiling. That's the good stuff. As the sun dips, the wind kicks up. The marine layer starts creeping in, cooling the day and setting the mood. We dig a pit, light the fire, and let the evening settle in. The conversation slows, and the smile stays. Morning broke with a hush. The drone drifted above our camp, slowly rising as the marine layer began to roll in, soft and quiet. Birds circled and sang, like the land itself was waking us up with music. I was the first one up. No plans, no noise, just me in this place, so I walked. The tide was out, revealing Baja's hidden world. First, a massive spider crab, its claws frozen in mid-crawl, now resting on the sand like a fossil of the deep. A few steps later, a sunburnt red starfish in the shallows, still alive, still glowing in the morning light. I found tide pools filled with sea urchins, purple, orange, deep black. Every pool felt like it was its own galaxy. It was like peeking into the lungs of the ocean. Inhale, exhale, life everywhere. Entered deeper, walking shin deep through the water, not even thinking, just exploring. I found a seat on some volcanic rock. I sat down, let the moment just be. There's peace that only places like this can give you. On the other side of the peninsula, I launched the drone again. Spooked a flock of birds, but instead of backing off, I flew with them. Right into their path, into their formation like I belonged. I followed their flight path over the sea, cutting across more black rocks until the sand opened up, and there were our rigs, surrounded by birds resting like they've always been there. From above, you could see both oceans pressing in. I dipped the drone lower, chasing the whitewash as it licked the shore near our tires. There's something timeless about watching waves crash on volcanic rock. It's loud and quiet at the same time. And then the light began to fade. No music, no motion, just the sky doing what it does best. Closing another day on this remote silver of Baja. Morning came fast and the tide was out. A couple of us moved our rigs in front of the island. One last photo, one last moment in this place. From above, the scene looked unreal. Rigs still, island rising behind them, Baja's raw beauty frozen for a moment in time. From the far side, you could see how far we have come, how this place held us for a short, unforgettable time. But it was time to move, back onto the narrow sand trail, the kind that makes your heart beat just a little faster. I could feel it as we dropped into the sandy slope, already halfway up the peninsula heading back. A part of me didn't want to leave. We formed up side by side, rigs angled like a unit. A part of something bigger, a convoy, an expedition. We rolled into the mist. The marine layer swallowed the trail ahead. Waves crashed, pushing the water towards us. Birds scattered at the sound of our tires tearing across the sand. And I dropped the hammer. Baja on both sides. Nothing in front of me but the sound of the surf and a promise of another trail someday. Till next time, thank you for overlanding with us. If you liked any of the hats, shirts, or sweatshirts, please go to trailaddix.com. And for 15% off, type in coupon code YouTube.